Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem your gift card on Genshin Impact. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to redeem your code on Genshin Impact, click open a web browser first. Go to the URL box at the top and type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You can do this on your application version as well. Click on the official site at the upper right corner and from this official website homepage, click on redeem code at the top of the screen and make sure to sign into your account on Genshin Impact. Now, from the top of the screen, click on redeem code option. Now, select a server from the drop down. Once your character name has been typed in, enter your redemption code at the back of your card. Type it in carefully. Make sure to type it in correct. Once you're done, click on redeem. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to redeem your Genshin Impact code. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.